Hello, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 1. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet, select Add to Wallet and focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transport Pass and select Transport Pass you would like to add to your Google account. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty. Select loyalty card you would like to add, and now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Select Add to Wallet and it's done. And the last card you can add is Gift Card. Similar to loyalty card, select Card, enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.